with the man behind people power.
I saw a chance to make a deal, and I took it. So for once in my entire life, I can go out and finally do what I want to.
Tonight, the big show's fury zeroes in on one man, John Cena.
John Cena exemplifies everything that I'm not. I'm not a team player. I'm not somebody that people like. I'm not somebody that kids look up to. I'm not an entertainer. I'm a giant.
Tonight, inside an unforgiving steel cage, will this giant continue on his path of destruction against a man with nothing to lose?
If you don't pummel me, then in no way will anyone ever look at you as the world's largest athlete.
Will this be the demise of people power?
If you lose this match, I'm going to say those famous 2 words to your pal, John Laurinaitis. Yes!
Tonight, only one thing is certain. There will be no
Look at Laurinaitis turning into this.
way
It's right back into this.
out.
I understand, but I also get to see what I'm paying for, which is to see the Titantron.
World Wrestling Entertainment presents